I wanted to get a lot of stuff done this morning, so we're gonna go ahead and see if we can't fix the 350Z. The cones that we were waiting for finally came in, so we have that now. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if we can't get this thing on, and then we need to drop off a tire and see if we can't get this thing back on the road. Okay, pretty simple install. We'll unscrew this little bolt right here and just slip that cone on, and we're just gonna drop it right on in there. So that always makes a world of difference. Also guys, this C-clamp on the bottom needs to be reseated. So my idea was when we set it on the tire and we roll it and go over a little bump, it'll just set right in, and then I can put the C-clamp on, not have that be an issue. But let's do the other side now. Okay, now just to slip in the cotter pin. So I have just lifted the rear end of the car. Essentially what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna take off the two rims on the rear, and then we're gonna install our nice new camber arms. But let's open our camber arm box just to show you guys what they look like. So a little story behind this. I went to Pep Boys and I asked them how much their camber arms were, and they're $170 each. First of all, that's insane. And I was like, well, what's the difference between that and like some eBay ones? And they're like, oh, well, this ones are made of like high quality material, the best ones there is, and da 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 da. Okay, essentially what I do is I'm like, I look it up on eBay, and I find a set of two for 160 bucks. Not only am I saving over $180, but I get it too, and it's from SPC themselves. Let's go ahead and install this though. Then we can get our nice new camber. With this rear tire off, we were able to take a closer look. As you guys can tell, this rusty old bar right here is what we're gonna be replacing with this nice shiny new black one. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go remove that. It should just be the two bolts, one on each side. Slip this in, adjust it to make it similar to what the stock one was, and go from there. Ooh. Yeah, baby. Cool. On to the next one. Whoa. Aw, man. They had to make it complicated. Okay, so I have just taken out the last one. You had to take off the sway bar to do it. The next thing we're gonna be doing is slipping in the new stuff and the new hardware for that new one. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our new camber arm right in here. We're gonna slip it over along with our new hardware that allows more adjustability. There we go. Okay, there's been a slight change of plan, guys. Essentially what happened is I realized that the tire shop opened up at 8 and it's 8:20, and they always like to have a little bit extra time. So I'm headed over there right now to the Olive Tree shop. I've always gone there now. They're the best price in town. I'm gonna take my rim back there over there. We're gonna go ahead and get that all situated, and then we can come back, finish the camber arm. I didn't really want to film much when I was there, so I'm sorry to kind of jump scenes a little bit, but kind of didn't really want to film and vlog over there because, I don't know. Without further ado, we're gonna get on home and we're gonna go ahead and do the other camber arm. Now that we're back, our first step is just to undo that first bolt on this camber arm right there. Perfect. Now undo the sway bar. Okay, now let's just undo the other part. That should just pop on out now. Garbage, not garbage. Slip this puppy in, get going. Perfect. Take our other nice shiny one. Slip it on there. With that all done, now we get to do arguably the best part of the install. We're gonna put our nice new sticker on here because now we have SPC. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, so I've just put the rear tires back on, switching sides as well, just to do a little bit of a rotation. I'm gonna drop the rear of the 350Z. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over back to the Olive Tire Shop and get our tire. I always find it funny how it's on Waverly Place, but I don't know, let's go in here and pick up our tire. Okay, I've just picked it up, as you guys can tell right back there. Man, that tire looks so good. This is gonna be the first time in a long time that I'm gonna be able to start this Z. Oh, yes. We're gonna be getting some of the van worked out in that end, so I'm really happy about that. Just waiting on Monday, because when Monday comes, we can go ahead and get the battery covers installed on the van. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of this type of content. And with nothing else to say, guys, I guess it's time to end it.